I've been clothes here, and I'm gonna take these clothes out, and I'm going to see. Oh my gosh, Raven. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be going through a bin of clothes that I already have listed in my either Poshmark closet or eBay store. I'm gonna be doing that just to see what I would have done differently if I still today would have picked up these items, and why I think they're still in my inventory. I'm gonna go through, I'll let you know when I bought them and if I recommend anyone else going out to buy. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned. Anyway, so let's get started. This bin does not have many things in it, so it won't be a very long video. So let's get started. I'm gonna tell you what I have and why I bought it. Oh yeah, this is a little bin. Okay, my first item, I think this is so cute. It is a Thrift, you see that? Okay, it's a Thrift, it's a Thrift skirt. Okay, and it's a size 4. I got this months ago at a thrift store. I do have a Thrift in my local mall, and one day I went to my thrift store and I was doing my regular, you know, buying. I was getting a lot of the discounted stuff, and I went to the plus size section, which I you know, I hit my 4 corners of the store, and I get there and I start going through and I see all this stuff, and I noticed that like the tag, some of the tags, this has the name in it, some of them didn't, but I noticed a lot of the Thrift pieces there. So I was like, what? And I just took them all and I threw them in my cart. Like, I just started picking them up and throwing them in, My cart was like this high, it was falling over, it was a hot mess. Looking back, would I have done that? I think I would have went through and actually like reevaluated to see when something sold, because I wanted to say that even when you go to like the TJ Maxx stores, when they do their clearance sales, their yellow tags, and they have a bunch of something, that usually means that someone just didn't want it. They didn't like the style, so they had to just like basically like, you know, this isn't working, get it off the store. When you go to a TJ Maxx, Marshall, thrift store, and they have an abundance of the same look of something, that usually means it's the style didn't do well. Now mind you, I live in Florida, so a lot of the styles here is hotter. So I found like a trench coat, I found like a lot of jackets and things like that. The jackets sold as soon as I put them up, they were gone. They just don't do well in Florida. So use your discretion when you go to these stores and they have like a bunch of like the same style. See, you might want to research why they didn't sell, because it might not be smart to pick up all of them up, even though it's a good brand at a good price. But use your discretion. My camera is annoying the mess out of me right now. Okay, and yeah, I got 2. Actually, I think I got more. I think I sold only one of these. This is actually a size 0, and if you know anything about Thrift, a 0 in Thrift would be a extra large or a large. I think they have a 00, which is a medium. I actually put on a 00, and I find that I think they make it for women that have maybe like a bigger thigh or a bigger bum behind booty. So I have a pair of pants from them that is a size 00, and I don't, they just feel like they gather a little bit in places I really don't like. So this is a J. Jill. Okay, this is a J. Jill medium. I believe this is linen. My inventory is actually pretty, nope, it's not linen, it is cotton. I did have a linen one and it's sold. This is a cotton piece here. And yeah, I want to pull up this item and see exactly what I have listed for, and see, I'm not going to show you my screen because like I said, this is going up right after I'm done. I'm gonna be very transparent with you guys. Like, I am not one to say like eBay doesn't like me, eBay's hiding my listings, stuff like that. But yesterday I kind of like that thought crept in my mind like really quick, and I'm like, because I did not sell anything Thursday and Friday, like nothing at all, and I listed both days. So yeah, I'm not one. J. Jill sweater I have listed for 24, and it has 1 view on it. Like, okay, I'm gonna go okay, so I'm gonna keep this page up so I can tell you how many views my items have gotten on certain things. because they're not all low. I'm not gonna lie and say, but that thought did creep in my mind yesterday. And usually we all have negative thoughts sometimes, and most of the time you just have to be like, get that out of here. Like, no, you know, just change up some things, go fix it, go work, you know, work hard, you know, get it done. So anyway, this is a J. Joe. It's actually overpriced in my store. So what I'm going to go do is I'm going to lower the price of this and see if I can move it out. Next item is a pair of Gap shorts with fuzzy on back. These are a pair of Gap shorts. They are a size 4. I probably got these from like a Goodwill. I don't think I would get these from a Salvation Army, but yeah. When did I get them? I can't even tell you when I got them. And they are listed right now with 4 views. And it has no best offer on it. So what I'm going to go do, this wasn't my plan to do this, but I'm going to change it to best offer. Whenever I do best offer, I don't give free shipping. The reason for that is if someone sends you an offer for $12 or $10, if someone sends you an offer for $12, you might take it if they're paying for shipping. If you're paying for shipping, you're gonna be like, no, even though the price isn't a bad price, it's like, well, I have to pay for shipping. So whatever. That's that. This is actually another Torrid jacket. It's a size 0. Now, another thing about Torrid that I've learned over the years is size 00, size 0, and size 6. 5 and 6 is mostly 6. They are like, so 0, 0, 0, and 6. They don't sell well for me. I don't know why. I think, like I said, 0 and 00 are mediums and larges. And I think those are maybe transitional pieces for people that maybe have lost weight and are, you know, trying to transition to other stores, and they want to keep their clients, their customers. So maybe they're keeping that size available to them. But like I said, I've worn the sweaters. The tops are very pretty. The sweaters I have, I sold all of them, and they are very nice. Even in the size 0s and 0s, those sold. But certain things, like I would stay away from. I'm really big on not telling other people what to do when it comes to their business and what they want to pick up, because everyone's different, and what works for you might not work for me. What works for me might not work for you. You know, you might be watching this like, you know what, I sold like 500 items in my store yesterday, so I don't know why you sold nothing. And that's great. I am so happy for you. But anyway, this is a Torrid green, hunter green jacket. Very cute. All this stuff was new from the store. So let's see what I have it priced at. I wonder if this is even in my Poshmark closet. Let's see. It's priced too high. See, that's why it's good to, if your store is stagnant, I believe that it's better to go and get your items and see what you have, and see what you might be able to change about them. Personally, this item is priced too high, and some would say, well, leave best offer. If someone has a best offer for an item, and the item is overpriced, and you know it's overpriced, and the price is like $70, and you think it's worth $30, I personally will not offer $30 for something listed for $70. I feel like it's throwing, like it's mean. You know, so I feel like me reevaluating what I have. The season is changing, so that's another aspect to it too. But that was actually priced too high, and it wasn't on sale. Sometimes my things are on sale. Another Torrid piece is coming up. I don't have much in here. I say that this video is 12 minutes already. Okay, I haven't posted a video in 2 days. That's okay. This is also a Torrid size 0. Now, remember I told you I bought all these. These are pretty. These are, I love the print on them. I would keep them, but they're too big for me. And I say, I am not, what I have these listed for. These are listed for, they're priced too high. Okay, so I'm gonna go and I'm gonna change the price. So I shouldn't talk when I'm turned away because I'm probably gonna be editing that part out. You really think you wanna see me? No, like that. These are Banana Republic. I don't know if you can see them. They're like a cream. There we go. Yeah. They're size 8. I don't wear shorts. If I did, then maybe. But they're not cute to me. Why did I buy them? Because they said Banana Republic, probably. I probably got these from Salvation Army. Oh no, okay, I did it right. I should have had you be able to see my screen or whatever. I could have done that. Now that I'm thinking about it, these are not priced too high, but what I will do is add best offer to it and see if maybe they actually only have 2 views. Next item, if you're new to eBay, if you're not new to eBay, if you don't know this, you probably do know this already, but now when you do a listing, the option to promote your listing is now when you complete your listing, if that makes any sense. When you're doing your listing, on the bottom, the last option is they're going to ask you is, would you like to promote this listing for, they'll tell you the amount of money, you click the box, and there you go. Before, when promoted listings first came out, you had to go into a whole different tab, select items you wanted to promote, and promoted listings means that eBay will push your items out more in front of more people just for a higher percentage of the rate that you sell something for. So if something sells for $10 and you tell them they have 10% of the sale, you're giving them $1. There you go. Okay. This is an Orvis top. Okay, I found Orvis. You ever like watch somebody, I watch resells all the time, and then they're like, this brand is great, you know, pick this brand up, and you know, they give history about it. This is what happened with this item. I never saw this in my life, and then I watched the video and someone was like, pick up Orvis, and all of a sudden I started seeing Orvis all the time. Some Orvis things sell fast, some Orvis things do not. I found an Orvis linen black top, sold the same day I listed it. The Orvis top does have piling on it. Today, if I saw this Orvis top in the store, would I pick it up? No. Why? Because it's just basic. It's a basic top. It's nothing special about it, except for the name, and it does have a lot of piling. I picked it up for the name. So now, knowing what I do know is, even if it is a good name, doesn't mean that you should always pick it up. So let's see what I have it listed for. I'm not gonna do this with all of them because my camera just shut off, and it usually shuts off at the 15-minute point. So yeah, we need to hurry this up. Yeah, it's no best offer on it. It has gotten 10 views, which is not bad. So what I'm gonna do is lower the price of this item, and that's it. The next items are in bags. These next 2 items I'm just gonna show them to you. I'm not gonna go back through and show you what I wanna do with them, only because I just really need to get it going. This is a GH Bass & Co. I got this from Salvation Army. Probably was $1. Would I pick it up today? No. Now, when I say I wouldn't pick it up, it's just because I am, if you watch my other videos, I'm really trying to gear more towards things that are higher priced, because with my workload at home, I have 6 children. I have 2 babies. They're 1 year old, they're twins, and they are running my life right now. Like, they are so active. I was telling my mom, like, I think this has been this stage that they're in right now. They're 16 months. They are all over the place. I remember people like, are they walking yet? I'm like, no, they're not walking. They're walking now. They're walking, they're climbing, they're pulling things down, they're fighting, they're biting, they're doing everything. So I do not need to be sitting somewhere with 50 items listing them. Yes, I do know if I listed 50 items a day and was on it and everything like that, my sales would be through the roof. I've done it before. But realistically, I really have a lot going on here with them. So I'm trying to do more things that include them. This is a Kenneth Cole top. Definitely a Salvation Army find. Would I have picked it up today? No. Just for the reasons I just prefaced with. It's just not worth my time. And I'm probably gonna go through and, okay, this is a paper crane. I don't know why I still have this. I thought this was so cute. It's a paper crane mini dress. It is a sweater dress, and I got it in the summer. So it is a size large. I might keep this for myself. It's kind of short. It's one of those dresses that you wear with like high boots, like black ones. Well, I mean, whatever color you want, but that's how I would wear it. I think it's so cute. I don't even know why I still have it. I need to see if I have it in Poshmark. I probably don't. It's probably go listed there. See, this is why I recommend go through your inventory and look and see what you have and reevaluate your life. And you'll start asking yourself questions like, why do I even still have this? What can I do to get rid of it? Or should I donate it? Because some things I do believe like you just need. There are a few things I need to donate. I do know. This is a Liz Claiborne extra large top, and I think it is so cute. It's giving me like Christmas time vibes. So yeah, I like it. I don't know what it's listed for, but we're almost done. This is I actually saw this listed. It's a Callaway medium shirt. It has like 30 something views. It actually has more than that. It has a lot of views. Sometimes you might even be missing some information. Sorry, it has 110 views. Okay, listen, it's already promoted. It has a lot of views. I don't know why. I still have it, but I do. Next. Oh my gosh, my battery. This video is going to be cut short. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to end it. This is going to be one of my last items because my battery's going to die because Raven is just not being proactive. This is an extra large Banana Republic shirt. I've had it for a very long time. I'm going to go through Unlisted. And I'm going to show you this one last item and then we're going to end this video. Please don't die on me. Please don't die on me. Please don't die on me. Okay. This is a J. Crew. Size 2 skirt. I believe it's cotton. Feels like it's cotton. I've had this for so long and I actually think it's really cute. Okay, but that's gonna be my last item I'm gonna show you. I hope you like this haul and this concept of this video. If you do and want me to do more, please let me know. And that's going to be about it. I did not talk about that controversial subject that I wanted to talk about. It's meant to be, wasn't it? Okay, anyway, so thank you so much for watching. Please come back next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video and subscribe and all that good stuff. You can find me at Miss Raven Lenore on Instagram, Miss Raven Lenore _Instagram. I'll put that in this video. It's probably in the beginning anyway. If you're still here, thank you so much for watching, and I am going to be doing more of these videos. I've made the decision already because I enjoy doing them, and maybe next time I'll share my screen with you. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.